If you're looking for a quick date night dinner, my Cajun Crab Dip Alfredo is guaranteed to seal the deal. So easy to make, watch this. Begin by salting your water and cooking your pasta till al dente. Heat some olive oil on a large skillet, then add your onions and red bell peppers. Next, add your minced garlic to get those aromas really going in the air. Now let's start working on that sauce. First, we're gonna add some sour cream and then some fresh Parmesan cheese. Mix all of that together, and once it starts to get creamy, we're gonna add that flavor, and we're coming with that Delta Dust. It's like Papados in a bottle. You can get this seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Next, it's time to add the star of the show. Fold in that lump crab meat gently. You want those chunks to stay nice and intact. Season up with a little bit more of that Delta Dust. Add your pasta straight to the pan. Mix to combine, and then we're gonna top this off with some mozzarella cheese, a little bit of parsley, and some lemon. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio or just go to UncleDibbz.com. That's good, shorty.